Hi guys, I'm Jessie Marie and I'm here to show you another bussin product, obviously. And these are eye masks and these are by Wolf Project. And it comes with 5 pairs and they're loaded with natural ingredients. They have caffeine, vitamin C, and peptides. Your eyes will thank you. Puffiness, fatigue, dark circles. Forget tired eyes with these natural-based eye masks. They will recharge your under eye area in just a few minutes. So, you want to apply to dry, clean skin and leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then just remove. And also to give an extra cooling feeling or depuffing, keep your eye masks in the fridge to use. Great idea, right? Why didn't I think of that? But anyways, yeah, they're great. You use them once or twice a week and whenever you need a recharge. So just great for that extra boost. If you have puffy eyes, under eye circles, etc., get your hands on Wolf Project eye masks and check out some of their other awesome self-care products. Make sure you click that link in bio, subscribe to my new YouTube channel, and stay tuned as I have lots more to share with you. My eyes feel so refreshed. Thanks for watching. I'm Jessie Marie. I'm out.